Just got out the car, got some J's on, and look at this. The fool coming out the car throwing up like that. Where's that from last night? I don't know. It looks like someone yacked some nice tacos right there. Is that tapatio right there? Looks like some tapatio right there, dog. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. It is Jordan release day. I hope y'all saw my crazy video yesterday, because that was just insane. But it is still Jordan release day. I'm about to hit up another mall, see what's going on. Let's go. Westfield, Sherman Oaks, or I think it's Westfield Fashion Square. I think that's technically its car. Let's go. Let's see what's up with the Shoe Palace. What's going on here? What's going on here? They're getting... Is this the new OG high that's coming out? What the hell is that? What the hell is that? Yeah, I'm good. Look at the laces. Looks like a women's pair, but those laces, I'm good. And I've told you guys, make sure you guys check to see if places get extra pairs, because sometimes they do. It's pretty late and these are 4, so I doubt they have any here. And they don't have any out and about. I'll ask them if they have any extra pairs. But yeah, they do have preschool right here. Got toddlers right there. Okay. They got those. Is everybody tired of seeing those? They got those. Damn, people have been cleaning out all the vans. All the vans going for $20 is gone. I was trying to get a pair for one of the kiddos. God dang it. I was gonna try to get one for one of my boys' friends, and damn, they all gone. I think, was this the pair that I grabbed for 20? Did they go up? I don't know. I don't think that was. But all the $20 pairs are gone. God dang it. That's why you gotta act quick. Man. I waited a week and it is what it is, huh? Do see one of these Converse All-Stars. This is based on a Chuck 70. Which usually go for what, 90 bucks? Down to $20. That is definitely a steal. When Shoe Palace wants to get rid of something, they definitely want to get rid of it. Got these LA Chucks right here, Dodgers colorway. Pretty interesting. Got the pinstripes from the OG lowriders and stuff. These going for 70 bucks. And then these stompers on sale. Big old boot looking Chucks right here. They are Chuck Taylors, but they are boots. $70. And they got another LA one right here. Okay. Alright, I guess Converse doing some LA stuff. Going for 75. They still got these and they're still on sale. Size 13. The forums. These are just, I'm telling you, I'm going to keep talking about these. These are fire. I should have worn mine today now that I think about it. Why didn't I wear this today? Yeah, I definitely should have worn it today. Totally goes with my fit. But I think I just like wearing Nikes to the Nike outlet, and I did go to the Nike outlet this morning, so that's probably why. Oh wait, I went to Jumpman LA as well. I'm not wearing Adidas Jumpman LA. I'm sorry, I just can't do that. That's just not my thing. I do like to support them, but you know. So wearing some Jordan 1 lows. They're pretty dirty. God dang, I need to clean the hell out of these. God dang, dude. Did not notice they're that dirty. I was in such a hurry this morning. God dang. But Shaq jersey, looking fire. Losing a few pounds, so that's what's up. Were the 4s up here earlier? I did come here later because I was busy going to some of the other stores. Were the 4s here earlier? Is that what that means? I'm gonna have to ask them, see if they got any extra pairs, or if they had any extra pairs in the morning. I'm gonna have to talk to a couple of workers to see what's up with that. Because I have told you guys, hey, if you guys don't win pairs, make sure you guys go check to see if they have early ones. Some of the stores do get early pairs or extra pairs on release day. $210 for those. Cardinals are pretty fire, dude. I'm telling you, these two I think are my favorite 7s. The Cardinals and the Chambres right here. This is going for $200. 6s, the Toro 6s right here. Del Sols. I don't remember what they call these. Do they call these the Del Sols? I know people call these the Lakers 1 too. Handcrafted 5s. Palominos right here. Dude got the Lakers 12s as well. I know people aren't calling them that, but anything with purple I call it. So dude got those bad boys right there. And then Comforts with these 150 now. Comfort 2s. The Jordan 1 Comfort 2s. 2nd generation of those. Then dude got these on sale still. 160 for those, and these on sale still at 150. We've seen these on sale at some stores. These are 140 here. Retail 145 for these, so they did go up a little bit. I got the Dub Zeros. These ain't bad, I'm not gonna lie. I think this might be one of my top 3 non-signatures. They got the 6 rings. I'm not the biggest fan of the 6 rings. $100 for those, 90 for those, 100 for those. Comfort lows down to $80. Hey man, someone needs some J's, man. If your kid needs J's or something, don't want to spend that much, grab these, dude. $80, not bad. They're supposed to be pretty comfortable. And I still got the one black toe right here. This was a return because I asked last week. I was like, what the hell? Y'all got these? Yeah, $140 for these. Okay. Next colorway of the mids right here. Ooh, I totally forgot about these. Do got the lucky green right here. Do got the lucky greens. So yeah, it was a 5. It was a 5. I asked them. They did not get any extra pairs. They did not get any. Dang it. Leftover day if y'all need a pair. Leftover day, I guess. Then there was also a hole right there. There was a size 9 of the Vans, the blue ones. It was one of these, but blue. That was $20. So I'm grabbing that. All right, let's go check out the few shops. I'm gonna come back for those Vans in a few minutes. Let's go check out a couple of the few shops real quick though. I know pointing is not good. Evan, that's what's up. We talked for quite a few minutes. We talked for probably like 20 minutes. Evan, we've been talking here and there in the comment section. Finally got to see him. That's what's up. Evan, definitely appreciate you for supporting the channel. And if you guys want to be a member, you guys want to support the channel, become a member. You know, I think I earned it. I don't know. Let me know. But yeah, let's go see what's up with this Footlocker. I already know they're not going to have the 4s, but we still need to look around. Now I have talked about this by now in yesterday's video, hopefully. But yeah, release day is the day after at Footlocker. So if you guys need a pair, come here early in the morning. Go to your local Footlockers. Go to Jumpman LA. Go to Hollywood. Go to the bigger ones. But yeah, just make sure you guys go hella early because I've showed it in my other videos. Y'all have seen it. And if you haven't, shame on you. Got the Palominos right there. Got the 5s. What is these? The Craft 5s right there. 13s. Yeah, we've seen Jordans. All right, let's talk about those and then let's move on. I think these were on sale, weren't they? Yeah, these were on sale. I think at the Flex stores. I don't remember how much. I'm pretty sure these were on sale. I got some lows, more lows. Are more the MB2s going down to 80? I remember most of these being $99.99, but we're seeing a bunch of them. I know a couple of them are $79.99, but we're seeing a bunch of them going down. That is pretty fire. I haven't tried these on though. What do you guys think about the MB2s? We're seeing some pretty solid sales, and I am tripping out because they're coming out with MB1 colorways, even though the 2s and even the 3s are about to come out. Or I don't know if the 3s are already out. I haven't seen them anywhere, but they're still releasing MB1 colorways, which is definitely interesting. Here's an all white one. You really can't go wrong with all white. But yeah, normally $120 down to $100. Did Puma do a collab with Diamond Supply Company on the RSX? I don't think I've ever seen this. Pretty dope. I kind of like that little bit of the Diamond Supply colorway on the back right there. Just a little hint. Pretty fire. And they do have Vans, but definitely not the same sales as at Shoe Palace. I hope you guys were able to at least grab 1 or 2 of those. If you're a Vans fan, like they got the Skate High right here down to 30. They had a plethora going for $20, so I hope you were able to grab 1 or 2 of those at least if you're a Vans fan. I did not say Rams fan, I said Vans fan. That's funny. If you're an Eagles fan, this definitely works for you guys. I definitely am paying full price for too many things right now though, because you can eventually find almost everything else on sale. If you're like a size 12 or something though, that's what sucks. But yeah, we've seen these for $50. We've seen even these on sale. How are these regular price? Like, we've seen these way discounted. That is interesting. Trae Youngs and Gills. I've been fighting more of the Gills at Burlington Ross. I'm going to continue with that. Also seen Trae Young 2s. Plenty of those there. So the D Rose. Haven't seen too many sizes though for these, but that is cool to find those there. Go for $80 here. Not too shabby. $100 Ultra Boost webs right there. Do got a finish line. Hopefully, if you guys didn't hit on releasing, hopefully you guys came here or the other finish lines at 5 o'clock. That's usually when they release them. But look, they have men's pairs right there. What? Right when I thought we wouldn't see any, they did get extra pairs here, it looks like. What? Then also got these right here, 350s. I don't know the colorways, I'm not gonna lie. I don't really know the colorways like that. But yeah, these are pretty fire. I was just gonna say, hey, they look different. This is a compact. It's a compact. The booty look right here, it's slightly different. Has more elastic and stuff like that. On the ankle collar, this one's slightly different. Okay. Okay, does that have... They have 3M? No, no 3M. Nothing. Alright. Cool. These are going for what? 220? 230? I don't know. The Jordan selection, the Jordan Retros right here. Got this right here. This is all nubuck. This is all nubuck. This is an SE. The material on this, pretty fire. If you get a mid, get something like this instead of something like that. Like, the material on this is nice. That is nice. Not as nice as the OGs, but still pretty freaking nice. Still got those. I still like those too. I like the 13. 13s are super comfy. Now, what the hell is this? Heritage looking Jordan 1 mids right here. What the hell? Alright, dude got Infinity War Fly. Look at this. Outlet like prices. Holy cow. Holy cow. I think this is the last chance section, so they only have 1 or 2 sizes, but that is fire. The KD Tray 510s right here, $50 freaking dollars. I think that might be cheaper than the outlets. Also, look at this. This is a smaller size, but still, the fact that they're that cheap, that is fire. I don't know what Converse these are. What the hell are these? Some sort of All-Stars. Okay. That's about it. They got... Ooh, did I miss these right here? Did I miss these right here? Fly Traps going for 45 as well, but yeah, that's a pretty cool freaking situation here. Look at this. Like, yeah, they got some deals. They got these bad boys going for 35 right here. So yeah, these are the rival highs. Oh, the posts, whatever those are, whatever. But yeah, they do got some decent stuff right here, man. The women's section right here, 5740s. Like, these look hella comfy. Nice little discount on that. Comfort lows. Look at that price. Holy crap. The Comfort 11 lows, my bad. Another one of the New Balances 327s right here. Pretty decent. All right, not bad. Not bad. All right, I'm going to post a short regarding the 4s right there. Told you guys a bunch of times, don't just sit around on release day. I know not everybody wants those, but if you wanted those, hope you guys didn't just sit at home and take an L. Because they have pairs, and I've told you guys, malls get extra pairs, or stores, retail shops will get extra pairs, and they just throw them out because they don't have a way of calling people day of and stuff like that. Sometimes releases literally, sometimes shipments will literally come on Friday, and you know, they don't even know about it. So yeah, man, make sure you guys go check out the stores on release day. All right, headed back to the Shoe Palace. I need to grab these Vans, and I need to go home. My kid wants to go do something. I need to go ASAP. Damn. All right, guys. Yeah, man, that was on Jordan release day. That was on the release day for these bad boys right here. I heard there were plenty available on leftover day, and I think the malls are still gonna have them. I did make a couple phone calls, and I did hear that, hey, a couple of stores that I do frequent did hear that they still have them. Mike Rich also showed in his vlog, he went on Sunday, and he saw them at the stores as well. So yeah, I do think these are gonna be available. I think there's a ton of them. And that's what we wanted, you guys. That's what we wanted. We wanted Jordan 4s to be available. They let the Jordan 4s be available, and then now people are complaining. Now people are complaining. This is what does piss me off about collectors. You know, they'll say, hey, you know, they'll say, hey, certain ones are super fire. Half the times I feel like, hey, they're only going after it because everybody else is going after it. And then when a slightly different colorway comes out, you know, it's readily available, so now they don't want it because it's really readily available. It's like, if you can't get your hands on one, then a lot of times you just settle for another. That's usually what I do, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, these are pretty fire. I think these are a hell of a lot better than a lot of the most recent 4s that did sell out, you know, and they probably sold out because they were more limited quantities. The Seafoams, the Frozen Moments, what was it, the Photon Dusts, the Midnight Navies. Like, I wasn't a fan of any of those. I skipped all those. I thought these looked better. But that's just my opinion. I don't see this as a replacement for the Jordan 4 Fire Reds or anything like that. They're different. They're way different. It's not like we're gonna mistake them. You know, the thing that bugged me about the Midnight Navy is, like, if you see it from far away, it looks like the white cement, and then you get close, it's like, oh man, those ain't even the white cements, man. Fool, you trying to trick us, you know what I'm saying? So, like, that's why I wasn't a big fan of those. But they're readily available, and the collectors, a lot of you guys say, hey, you guys want 4s to be readily available. They have one. I think the colorway looks pretty dope. But you know, not everybody wants them. I know that a lot of us don't have the money for it right now, so that I can definitely understand. So if that's your situation, I understand that. I just don't like it when collectors are like, oh, that colorway sucks, and you know, they buy all these other ones where the colorways really suck, but just because they're more limited, fools wanted them. You know, it is, but it is what it is. But yeah, they are readily available. If you want to go out to the malls, if you need to go out to the malls, go ahead, check your local malls. They should be available. You know, they are leftovers, so sizing is going to be kind of difficult. But if you went on release day, probably would have grabbed them. So, but yeah, that's pretty much about it. That's my little rant. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Collectors are, I don't know. It is what it is. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I do have a membership program if you guys want to join. Cool. If not, I understand. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm gonna be dropping videos every day regardless. So make sure you guys check out each of the videos. If you do want to join the membership, make sure you guys log on a computer or use the web browser on your phone. Put it on desktop mode, that type of stuff. If you want to contribute to the channel, and if you want to help me out with all the gas and all that type of stuff, you're more than welcome to. And I appreciate each and every one of you guys. There are a handful of members. Definitely appreciate each and every one of y'all. I definitely remember who the first few people were, so yeah, don't think I don't appreciate it. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new, press that subscribe button. And that's pretty much about it, man. Go Niners. Niners look good as hell, man. Niners look good as hell, but it is week 1, so got plenty of weeks. But yeah, Niners will spank whoever your teams are. But we'll see what happens. But yeah, I got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Go Niners. It's like a Niners colorway too. It's fine.